Okay, it's day 23, and I looked at the weather forecast. I had sunlight only until about 11 a.m. So I got up early, went to the grocery store, and started cooking. You see, my problem, folks, over the last 23 days, I've lost around 10 pounds in this diet. So let me show you, I'm gonna carb load a little bit today. We've got, in door number one, we've got some pizza. In door number two, we've got sausage gravy. Door number three, oh, it's more pizza. And door number four, the biscuits for the gravy. Again, it's only 9:30 a.m. I've got about 6,000 calories ready here. I'm gonna share it with the team and hopefully put on some more weight. Okay, I'll admit, I definitely have a weakness when it comes to sausage, biscuits, and gravy. Tell me that it's unhealthy, and I just won't accept the negativity. So here we are, our calzones are done just in time for lunch. Beasts, those things are massive. 3-pound calzones, you can split those amongst 4 friends.
Stars are bright, clear before my eyes. Millions of light years.
Continues to be pretty nice and sunny, and I want to see if, oh yum, Thai mushroom soup is done. That's smelling great. And additionally, I've got the GoSun brew steaming up to make myself my afternoon coffee today. And that is boiling hot in there. One of the things that I love so much about this grill is that it holds on to the food's temperature and moisture so well that you can have a meal well after the sun is gone. I just pulled out a gorgeous bit of Thai noodle mushroom soup out of the grill. Now I'm gonna tilt the grill to face tomorrow morning sun. So I'm just gonna leave it open, sitting here on the picnic table. I'm facing the east now. And by the time I get down here in the morning, this thing will be preheated and ready to go. Tracking is an important part of using a solar oven. The GoSun dial makes that job really easy, but I also want to share some new skills that I've been developing. Stay tuned as GoSun helps you turn into a pro of tracking weather and the solar cooking opportunity.